Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today, in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on document access action. We will walk through how to provide different levels of access to various users, roles, and teams. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the document access action include? Which types of document access are available to provide to other users, roles, and teams, and how can this access be granted? What is the impact on folders if a user provides direct document access to another user without forwarding the document? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access, along with the DMS form access. In addition to this, the document must be forwarded to user, role, or team before changing the access. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document, checkout, check-in, undo checkout, delete, move document, forward, document access, send email with QR code, chat, attachment, subscribe, unsubscribe document, copy document, download, a workflow, upload, in document, out document, enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Document access. The document access action in a document management system allows users to manage permissions for individual documents. Users can grant various levels of access, such as read, write, delete, or full access. This action is available only to users who have full permissions on the document, ensuring proper control and security. It helps in regulating who can view, modify, or delete documents within the system. Let us discuss this with an example. For example, an administrator can grant read, write, delete access to a team lead on a report, allowing them to edit or remove it as needed. Meanwhile, interns may be given read access, so they can only view the document without making any changes. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log in to system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the AP Invoices 2025 folder to navigate into it. All the uploaded documents within this folder and its subfolders will be displayed. In the previous video, we shared the North Venture invoice document with finance team members, including Peter and Mukesh, and it was sent with read-only access by default. Now, we will learn how to provide different levels of access. The user selects the North Ventures invoice document and click the 3 ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. Select Document Access action from the list. A Share Document pop-up will appear on the user screen, allowing the user to choose who should be granted access to the document. In the DMS, documents can be forwarded with individual users, roles, or teams, so 3 options are available for granting access. By default, user is selected, but you can also choose role or team as needed. Check the appropriate option based on your requirement. Right now, I am selecting default user option. This interface is similar to the share folder pop-up. Since the document has already been forwarded to Mukesh and Peter belongs to the finance team, both their names appear in the username section. By default, they are granted read access, but the user can change the permission level using the drop-down menu. Available options include read, write, delete, and full. Here, I am selecting read, write, delete access for Mukesh, who is a senior employee, and read access for Peter, who is a trainee. Next, if the user wants to remove document access, they can click the delete button. This will unshare the document from the selected user. Right now, I am not deleting the access. Similarly, the user can provide access to a role or team by checking the appropriate box, while the individual team members will appear in the user section. Click cross icon to close the pop-up. Now, we will discuss how a user can grant access directly to a document without forwarding it. the user selects another document, for example, Jack Enterprises invoice, and clicks the three dots ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. From the list, select Document Access. A Share Document pop-up will appear on the user screen, allowing the user to select who should be granted access to the document. Access can be provided to different users, roles, and teams by selecting the appropriate checkboxes. By default, the user is selected. Currently, I am selecting the default user option. The user can enter the name of the user to whom document access should be granted in the user field. Alternatively, the user can click the user info icon to view a list of users. The user can then enter a name in the search field, for example, Peter, and the corresponding users will be displayed. After selecting the desired user and clicking OK to confirm, the selected user appears in the user field. The user clicks the Save button, and a confirmation message appears on the screen, indicating that read permission will be granted to the parent folder if it is not already shared with the user, role, or team. Click OK to confirm. After saving, a new row with the selected user will be added in the pop-up window. By default, read access is granted, but the user can change the access level using the drop-down options. Available options include read, write, delete, and full. Right now, I am selecting read, write, delete access. Next, later if the user wants to remove document access, they can click the delete button. This will unshare the document from the selected user. Right now, I am not deleting the access. Click OK to provide access to the document. The user refreshes the form, and the document icon changes from the normal document to a shared document icon, indicating that this document is now shared with another user. The user then returns to the My DMS form header, where it is shown that the folder is now shared. The icon has changed to indicate that the folder is shared with another user, because the user granted direct access to the document, which automatically shared the parent folder with read access. To verify, the user will log in with a different Peter user using the tenant account with admin role and organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. As shown, the shared folder is successfully visible on the other user's side. Click the three ellipses to view the available folder actions, which vary based on the permissions granted. Since Jackson shared this folder with default read access, only the corresponding limited actions are displayed. Next, click the AP Invoices 2025 folder to navigate into it. The shared Jackson Enterprises invoice document is successfully visible. Click the three ellipses next to the document to view the available document actions, which also depend on the permissions granted. Since Jackson shared this document with read, write, delete access, only the corresponding actions are displayed. Similarly, the user can grant direct access to a role or team by selecting the appropriate checkbox, which will also share the folder with read access. So, in this video, we have covered how to provide document access to different users, roles, and teams. The remaining actions will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.